Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tip. Here we are guys, and so I'm going to show you to use this remote control app. In the background I have my Samsung Tizen TV, and of course it will be showing you how to easily control this app. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so this is the app itself and it allows me to use the main controls here. And the best thing about this app is it does not require or it doesn't have a bag of ads. It's built by Samsung itself, and as you can see, I can use a touchpad to control. I can go back, I can go home at any time, I can use voice commands. I can also use a number keypad. I can actually close this. I can switch to channels, and I can do a number of things up here, especially with these sections here. You can also notice the social media apps up there. I can also power off the TV. I can also minimize this. And as you can see here, I can also go back to the remote control. So in order to get this remote app for your Samsung TV, it's very easy. All right, so it is, as we said, the part of the Samsung Smart Things. So let me show you what I mean. If we were to minimize, you can actually see it here. And of course, it is right there. It gives quick media control. And all you gotta do is simply go here. You're gonna type Smart Things. You can also find it in the App Store. So what you're gonna do is, once you find it in the Samsung App Store, Smart Things, it's also here. It's usually here on the Samsung phones, come built in. So go ahead and tap, set it up. It's very easy. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. As you can see as well, it puts the media controls right here. It just identifies the TV. So all you gotta do, guys, as you can see here, my favorite is this one here, and it basically connects to your device. So all you gotta do here is hit plus. Then you can add a device. It's very easy. You can say scan nearby. Once you hit scan nearby and it finds Samsung device, you can either say add the device that it finds after scanning, and then follow the instructions and it add the permissions such as locations or so on. Or you can go ahead as well and hit add Samsung device. Then it asks you which device, and you narrow down the device such as TV. Then it will ask you searching for nearby. And just showing you here, it's already set up. It will scan. And once it scans and finds the TV, it simply tap and set up. All right, so just follow the on-screen instruction. So of course, you'll see it will find the TV. So it's looking for TVs now. And of course, it won't find this one because it's already connected. And as I said before, you can also scan nearby. It will scan again. It's the same thing. And once this is connected, make sure both of them are on the same Wi-Fi network. It will find, and it's as easy as setting it up. And then, of course, once you do, you will have the remote control. As seen here, you can tap at any time and you'll have access to controlling your TV. And of course, in case you lose the main remote, you can actually use this one. Just showing you that if you're in the Samsung ecosystem and need a cool TV remote, this one is highly recommended. It works flawlessly, and best part, it comes installed on your phone. All right, so that was useful, guys. See you next one. Bye.